Time for an oil change. Let's fire up that baby and warm it up. Hey guys, welcome to 60-second Tuesday. In this video I have to perform an oil change on Harman. Oil change is nothing special, everyone does it to his bike. But, as I mentioned in a previous video, link above, it's important to use the gear you carry with you on a longer trip. Because you maybe end up in a situation where you have to change your oil yourself. That what's happened on my last 100-day ride in Turkey. I could not get an oil change done on my bike because nobody wanted to supply me with a oil filter. Not even BMW Turkey. Okay. And that's the reason why I really like to hammer it home. Take your tools with you, as much or as little as you think you need. Try it at home, and do not forget an oil filter. I will never, ever travel without a spare oil filter in my saddlebags. That's it, guys. Until next time, ride safe and stay safe. Bye.